Hi everyone, welcome back. Today I'll be showing you how I achieved this neon floral nail art look incorporating techniques such as ombre and stamping. Let's get started. Start off by applying a base coat to protect your natural nails. Followed by applying 2 coats of a white polish. If you have a white polish that covers evenly within 1 coat, just apply the 1 coat. Apply 1 coat of top coat and allow it to fully dry before moving on to the next step. Apply a layer of a latex barrier to protect your skin surrounding the nails for easier cleanup later on. Alternatively, you can use tape or clean off the excess polish with a Q-tip or a cleanup brush. Using a neon yellow and neon pink polish, apply each color to 1/2 of a cosmetic wedge. Slightly overlap the colors to blend them together, as yellow and pink creates orange. Begin dabbing the sponge over top the nail using a slight up and down and side to side motion to blend the colors together. Apply more nail polish onto the sponge for a second coat of color and repeat as many times as needed to reach full opacity. The number of coats needed will be dependent on the formulation of the nail polishes that you are using. A thinner formula equals more coats versus a slightly thicker formula equaling out to less coats. Here I'm using 3 coats in total. If you chose to use a latex barrier, use tweezers to carefully remove. Feel free to go in with an orange wood stick to remove any of the latex barrier that got stuck to any areas of the skin. Here I'm going in with my personalized cleanup brush to clean off any excess polish on the skin as well as clean up any edges. Alternatively, you can use a Q-tip. Apply 1 coat of top coat to smooth out the ombre design and allow it to completely dry before moving on to the next step. Apply a layer of a latex barrier to protect your skin surrounding the nails and allow it to dry. Choose a floral image from a stamping plate of your liking, paired with a black stamping polish, and transfer the image onto the stamper using a rolling motion. Use a lint roller or tape to remove excess imaging off the stamper. Avoid using acetone or nail polish remover as it will permanently cloud the stamper head. Transfer the image over top your nails. Using tweezers, carefully remove the latex barrier. Clean up any excess stamping polish on the skin with a cleanup brush or a Q-tip. Apply 1 coat of a glossy top coat and allow it to dry. Lastly, apply 1 coat of a matte top coat and watch it transform from glossy to matte. I use a regular top coat prior to the matte top coat to help the manicure last longer. So here we have the final and completed look. With all the unpleasant events currently happening globally, I just wanted to spread a little sunshine, cheer, and distraction your way. Hopefully it worked. Thank you guys so much for watching and hope to see you back in the next one. Until then, remember, creativity is at your fingertips. I'll see you guys next time. Bye!